In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seeking Alpha charts. By the end, you'll know how to open the full charting tool, switch chart types, adjust the time frame, and add popular technical indicators so you can read price action with confidence. Start on the Seeking Alpha website. Use the search bar to look up a stock ticker, for example, AAPL. When you land on the stock's page, you'll see a price chart at the top. To get the most out of it, select Advanced to open the full chart tool. If the button isn't immediately visible, scroll a bit. On some layouts, it sits just under the main price panel. The advanced view gives you more control and a clearer workspace. Once you're in the chart tool, one of the first choices is the chart type. Open the chart type drop-down, and you'll see options like candlestick, line, and bar. Candlestick charts display the open, high, low, and close for each period, with the body showing the distance between the open and close and the wicks capturing the extremes. They're excellent for spotting short-term shifts in momentum and reading intraday or swing patterns. Line charts connect closing prices into a smooth curve, minimizing noise and making the overall trend easy to see at a glance. Bar charts also show open, high, low, and close, but in a slimmer format that some traders prefer for compact clarity. A practical approach is to scan the big picture with a line chart, then switch to candlesticks when you want more detail. Next, set the time frame using the period selector. You can view minutes, days, weeks, months, or years. Minutes are useful for intraday movement and volatility. Days and weeks help you evaluate swings and medium-term trends. Months and years reveal the long-term trajectory and major cycles. Match the time frame to your objective. A long-term investor will focus on months and years, while an active trader might toggle between minutes and days. It's often helpful to review more than one time frame to keep context while you refine decisions. Finally, enhance your analysis with indicators. Click Indicators and choose tools like Moving Averages, RSI, MACD, and Volume. Moving averages smooth price action and can highlight the prevailing trend. RSI is a momentum oscillator that helps you gauge overbought or oversold conditions. MACD compares moving averages to flag momentum shifts and potential trend changes. Volume shows how much trading activity accompanies price moves, which can strengthen or weaken a signal. Add indicators gradually so the chart stays readable, and focus on how each one supports your time frame and chart type. That's it. Open the advanced chart, pick a clear chart type, set a time frame that matches your goal, and layer in indicators thoughtfully. With a few minutes of practice, Seeking Alpha's charts become a powerful part of your investing toolkit.